right there. Alright, we are 6 minutes. Got you. Hazards off. We still on Super Sport. Yup. Let's go. You know what? I usually don't do this, but I ain't got time for Super Sport right now. We're gonna bring her back down to Sport. Super Sport. It's like a track mode, you know, it takes a while to shift. And I'm holding the damn selfie stick. I ain't got time to be shifting and doing all this crazy shit. So, we're gonna let it do its thing. Shift on the zone is crazy on the Evo. I'm telling you, man, you gotta get an Evo. See what I'm talking about? You gotta get an Evo, man. For those that want an Evo, I'm telling you, get an Evo, man. This shit rides. It rides. And there's a neck breaker. It don't even gotta be fast. Stock, slam it, little exhaust, front mount, and just chill. But you're gonna wanna soup it up though, because you know, can't have a slow Evo. You gotta have a, you know, the Evo gotta be right. It gotta be right. You know what I'm saying? Just chill. And we got the tunnel. Oh my, you know I gotta give it gas. Woo! You know I had to do that. You know I had to do that shit. You know I had to do that shit. Everybody knows that. You got a turbo car, you about to hit a tunnel, you gotta rev that shit. Look at the downshift. That SST, boy. I'm telling you, that SST, man. When that shit shifts, man. You know? I'm telling you, you gotta get an Evo. Put your mind to it, you get one. I ain't gonna lie, these motherfuckers are expensive. To buy, to maintain, to hook up, to tune. They're expensive. Ain't nothing cheap about an Evo, man. So prepare your mind and your pockets. You know what I'm saying? But it's well worth it. So Desmond got me right so far, man. You know, idling, chilling, wideband looking good. You know, don't mind the trans temp. It's not even, the sensor's not even hooked up. You know, vacuum's good at 20. You know what I'm saying? Chilling, bro. Downtown Orlando. I think this is where the Orlando Magics play or something. Yeah, they play over here somewhere. Yeah, I know they suck. Shouldn't be talking about them, but that's where they play at. We in the hood now. You see? They hear the Evo, okay? They hear it. Downshift is stupid, yo. I'm telling you, this shit sounds so dope. Like you could just be pulling up at the light and it's downshifting on its own, and the dude's already at the light. He looks at you like, damn, what the fuck is that coming? It's your Evo, bro. I'm telling you right now, gotta get Evo, man. But man, I can't wait till I have my DSM, man. Man, I can't wait, man. The DSM drew attention, man. But you know what? I'm having fun. I'm having fun in the Evos. You know what I'm saying? I like it. Hey man, driving in sport ain't too bad, man. You know? I like I don't drive in sport too much, but if I'm going like to the store right there, I'll drive in sport. I won't really get up on it like that in sport, probably like 10 pounds or something. You know what I'm saying? I was always told, you know, if you're gonna beat it up, obviously traction off and, you know, keep it in super sport for that, man. But if you get